How's it going, guys? Sorry I'm running a few minutes behind trying to get some top loaders and supplies ready. How's it going, Travis? What's going on, Dale? Ah, that sucks. I think, at least in my area, it was the same stuff as last week with just a little bit of Topps opening day baseball, which is kind of nice if you're a baseball fan. Especially with the season now set to be underway. It's kind of a good thing to see some baseball. No, Sam. All the teams are full and paid for. We are full for the break 152. Yeah, we just got some snow. It just started the last hour or so. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and count these packs out, and we'll separate out the pink packs. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. There's our empty. Awesome, thanks, Travis. Yeah, I'm super pumped about those. Kind of feeling a Genesis today, guys. Whatever reason, I feel like we got one sitting in here. All right, got our 12 regulars and our 12 pink camo packs. Let's get started. We'll start with the regulars first and finish with the pinks. Oh, nice. Ed Oliver, David Johnson, Fred Bilikoff, Miles Sanders, Leonard Floyd. Tom Brady Super Bowl MVPs. Drew Brees Man of the Year. Green Mosaic Deontay Johnson to the Steelers. Andre Reed Hall of Fame to the Bills. Got a green Mosaic Touchdown Masters Adam Thielen to the Vikings. And our rookies are Ramondre Stevenson, Demetric Felton, and a Kid Reporter. All right, pack number 2. J.K. Dobbins, Jeff Okudah, Cam Newton, Jamison Crowder, Jared Goff, Patrick Mahomes Super Bowl MVPs, Larry Fitzgerald Man of the Year, green Mosaic Byron Jones to the Dolphins, a will to win Patrick Mahomes, silver Mosaic will to win Ray Lewis. Our rookies are Jalen Darden and Marquez Stevenson. Pack 3. Barry Sanders, Tremaine Edmonds, Andre Johnson, Charles Woodson, Jalen Reagor, Russell Wilson, Joe Montana Super Bowl MVPs, green Mosaic Stephon Gilmore, Touchdown Masters Derrick Henry, got a silver Hall of Fame LaDainian Tomlinson to the Chargers. Rookies are Seth Williams and Greg Rousseau. Pack 4. Roquan Smith, Travis Kelce, CeeDee Lamb, Fred Warner, Baker Mayfield, Devontae Smith debut to the Eagles, and we got a silver Mosaic Drew Brees Super Bowl MVPs, and some green Khalil Herbert to the Bears. Got Game Kelsey, and a silver Noah Gray to the Chiefs. Peyton Turner and Elijah Mitchell to the 49ers. Next pack. Jim Kelly, Tyler Boyd, Kurt Warner, Max Crosby, Jerome Bettis, Chris Long, James Robinson, Green Mosaic Jalen Reagor, Got Game Derwin James Jr., and a silver Dan Marino to the Dolphins. Jabril Cox and Racy McMath. Mark Brunell, Jarvis Landry, Kirk Cousins, Charles Tillman Man of the Year, Jamison Crowder, Caleb Farley debut, and a silver mosaic Joe Burrow to the Bengals. Green mosaic Chris Evans also to the Bengals. Jarvis Landry Bang to the Browns. And a green mosaic Jarvis Landry to the Browns. Rookies are Kenneth Gainwell and Daz Newsome to the Bears. Jeremy Chin, DeForest Buckner, Randy Moss, Jimmy Garoppolo, Josh Jacobs, Patrick Surtain debut, DK Metcalf, Green Mosaic Marshawn Lattimore to the Saints. Touchdown Masters Tyreek Hill. And a green Mosaic Drew Brees bang to the Saints. Eric Stokes and Devontae Smith to the Eagles. Mike Evans, Marshawn Lattimore, Fred Bilikoff, Miles Sanders, Leonard Floyd, Fred Warner, Silver Mosaic Mike Strachan to the Colts, Green Mosaic Jacob Harris to the Rams, Will to Win Alvin Kamara, Green Mosaic Touchdown Masters Tyreek Hill, Jared Dokes and Nico Collins. DJ Moore, Carson Wentz, Taysom Hill, Terry McLaurin, John Elway, Dan Marino, Man of the Year, Keenan Allen, Green Mosaic Danielle Hunter, Hall of Fame Emmitt Smith, DK Metcalf bang, Christian Barmore, and Elijah Moore for the rookies. Drew Lock, Marlon Humphrey, Aaron Jones, Denzel Mims, Matthew Stafford, Joe Montana, Derek Brooks, Man of the Year, Green Mosaic Mike Evans, Got Game Devin White, Silver Mosaic Bang Josh Jacobs to the Raiders. And our rookies are Pat Freiermuth and Frank Darby. Where are those QBs hiding? Hopefully in those pink packs. Allen Robinson, Mark Brunell, Brandon Ayuk, Antonio Gibson, Denzel Mims, Keenan Allen, Kwity Paye debut, green Mosaic Gardner Minshew, Hall of Fame Terry Bradshaw. There we go. Will to win green Mosaic Tom Brady to the Bucks. Frank Darby and Eric Stokes. Alright, last regular pack before we move on to the pinks. DeAndre Swift, Devin Singletary, Jamison Crowder, Eric Dickerson, DK Metcalf, Marcus Allen, Silver Mosaic Joe Mixon, AFC, green Mosaic Gary Brightwell, Got Game Devin White, a silver Tommy Tremble to the Panthers, Jared Dokes, and Nico Collins. Alright, guys, time for the pinks. Mark Andrews, Darren Waller, Jalen Hurts. Plaxico Burress, Chris Evans, and Joe Burrow. Jonathan Taylor, DK Metcalf, and Patrick Mahomes. Tyler Boyd, Des Fitzpatrick, and Jamar Chase debut. There we go. Getting all kinds of Bengals colors. Jamar, Burrow, Evans, Tyler Boyd. Now we just need to find some of those QBs. DeMarcus Lawrence, Kirk Cousins, and Chuba Hubbard. Ray Lewis, Derek Carr, and Javonte Williams. Nice pink for the Broncos. This guy should be able to open that field up for Russell Wilson. Nick Chubb, Chase Winovich, and Rashad Bateman. Robert Tonyan, Jamal Adams, and Walter Payton, Man of the Year. Josh Allen, Simi Fioco to the Cowboys, and Ray Lewis Super Bowl MVPs. John Riggins, Chaz Surratt, and Keenan Allen. Two pink packs to go, guys. Daniel Sorensen, Stephon Gilmore, and Tom Brady Super Bowl MVPs. To the Patriots. Lamar Jackson, Cam Newton, and Larry Roundtree. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for your support, for joining the break. Thanks for your bids on eBay. Got a little thank you bonus playoff bat pack. Alright, Marcus Allen, Randy Moss, Drew Lock, Tyler Boyd, Henry Ruggs, TJ Watt, Tremaine Edmonds, DJ Chark, Chris Herndon, Melvin Gordon, Jesse Bates, Michael Pittman Jr., Stephon Gilmore, Chris Johnson, Joe Burrow, George Kittle, Harrison Smith, Emmitt Smith, Michael Thomas, Antonio Gibson, J.J. Watt, Barry Sanders, Fred Warner, Brian Dawkins, Warren Sapp, Tyrell Williams, Brandon Ayuk, Dalvin Cook, DeMarcus Lawrence, Jameis Winston. Our rookies are Larry Roundtree, Dwayne Eskridge, Chaz Surratt, Keen Nagawu, Agunji, Trayvon Moehrig, Terrace Marshall Jr., and DK Metcalf with the green kickoff. And our chromes are Call to Arms, Josh Allen, and behind the numbers, Brian Dawkins to the Eagles. Alright guys, that is it for break 152. I do appreciate you guys. Thanks for your guys' support. I got another football break later if you guys are in there. We'll be back at 10. But in the meantime, I do have a NBA break at 9. So hope you guys have a good rest of your night, and catch you guys later if you're in one of the other breaks. Alright.